everybody. I'm here with a video. Sorry, I haven't been posting lately. I'm completely done with school. I don't have anything else to do, so I should be uploading. If you're subscribed to my channel, thank you for being subscribed, and please subscribe if you're watching this. So it would really help me out. And if y'all have any requests, any types of videos y'all like me to do more often, I will just say them in the comments, and I will try to do them more. But sorry if there's any background noise. Once again, I don't really have a quiet place to record, but yeah, they're going to be covering the tropical disturbance that could form in the Caribbean, Invest 91L, and the multi-day severe weather threat that is back. So first, multi-day severe weather threat. You can see this is today's convective outlook for day 1. There's a large slight risk parts of central and western Mexico, central and western Colorado, and southeastern, central and eastern Mexico, central and eastern Colorado, and southeastern Wyoming. Then even Rapid City, slight risk down through Texas Panhandle and Mexico, but areas in the slight risk. There's some not really big cities in the slight risk right now. Colorado Springs, Denver, slight risk for severe weather, but then we're talking about another slight risk towards New York City and on the other side of the country, pretty much, which has some parts of Vermont, New Hampshire, New York, Pennsylvania, all of West Virginia, most of Northern Virginia, all of Maryland, all of Delaware, and I can't see the population, but New Jersey. So New York, Philadelphia, Baltimore, Washington, D.C. all have a slight risk. There is also a rather large marginal risk stretching across stretching between both of the systems, and by Denver and all the way up to the northern Vermont. We see some severe storms. Not as widespread as in the slight risk, but there's still a marginal risk. It goes through Dallas, Atlanta, Georgia, over to through Athens, right there, up towards Greenville, Columbia, North Carolina. I think it's Columbia, North Carolina. Pretty large marginal risk. Rapid City, y'all have a marginal risk. Oklahoma City, marginal risk also. So the main threats is going to be wind, hail, and possibly some tornadoes. Yeah. So now let's skip ahead to tomorrow. This is for Monday, June 3rd, 2019. If y'all get the year mixed up, there's a slight risk out in the plains again. Pretty broad. Once again, it has places like Lubbock, Texas, Amarillo, Texas, not Denver, that marginal risk. Rapid City, marginal risk again. Parts of Nebraska and Kansas, slight risk. Then Oklahoma City and Tulsa, again, you have a marginal risk. Wichita, Kansas, marginal risk once again. And Lincoln, Nebraska, marginal risk. Albuquerque, marginal risk. You in Albuquerque, I can't speak today. I can never speak right. But if you're in Albuquerque, you could see a severe storm tomorrow. And then for the day 3 outlook, 2 slight risks, one in southern Texas up to the Panhandle by Lubbock, and then one in southern Iowa, southeastern Nebraska, northeastern Kansas, northern and central Missouri, and western Illinois. Slight risk. Cities in the slight risk: Kansas City, Omaha, Lincoln, Nebraska, Lubbock, Texas, and Des Moines, Iowa. There's another broad marginal risk going all the way up from the southern part of the country to the northern part of the country. In the marginal risk, you have Minneapolis, Wichita, Kansas, St. Louis, Missouri, St. Paul, Minnesota, and Madison, Wisconsin. You are all in marginal risks. And I think the SPC issued a day 4 outlook across parts of across parts of West Virginia, most of Kentucky, most of Virginia, some of Maryland, Maryland, in southern Ohio, and central and southern Indiana, and eastern Illinois. Cities that have a 15% equates to a slight risk when we get to the day 3. So places that have 15% is Indianapolis, Indiana, Columbus, Ohio, Baltimore, Maryland, Washington State, and Cincinnati, Ohio. Slight risk. So now I want to talk about the hurricane. It's not a hurricane. It's a tropical disturbance called Invest 91L. I think that's its name. There's a 40 to 60% chance of developing, and it's in the Caribbean. I think its general direction is towards the coast of Mexico. But I'll have to stop that. It could move up towards like Georgia and South Carolina. 60% chance of formation. Next 48 hours, 60%. All right, that's good information. I don't think there's any in the Eastern Pacific or the Central Pacific. Yeah, I should say there's none, but now so this is Invest 91L. It kind of told me this is what it looks like probably right now. There is some thunderstorms with it. It has not formed yet. It's only at 1,000. It's still at 1,008 millibars. But you can see this is later this afternoon. It started a little bit more circulator. It's just circular, sorry. And then it starts to get and be stronger through this evening. Look at those thunderstorms. Look at all this thunderstorm along with it. There's going to be probably a lot of rain with this storm. With this, if this forms, look at all this rain over Mexico, just continuing. But the weekend it will probably landfall. May not even make landfall. There's Texas. Could make a fall in Texas, y'all. It's at 1,003. This is Wednesday. It's at 1,003. So this could bring some rain to Texas. I'll cover this if this happens. I'll probably do maybe a lot of videos through Wednesday, especially probably through Thursday, the rain. But look at how much it weakens. There is. I think it's Tennessee. That's Arkansas. All right, but now I'm going to show y'all the severe weather threat. So let's go back to today. I love the NAM 3K. I don't know if y'all like it, but I just like how it shows it in more high. I like it better than the GFS. The GFS is more long term, but this kind of shows like where the individual storms will fire. See like the soundings work on tropical tidbits also. You can see some individual supercells could form towards like in the eastern Colorado, southeastern Wyoming, maybe towards Rapid City, down through Lubbock, Texas, and then those will weaken throughout the night. Then they could still be severe, maybe early Monday morning. See some clumps like this right here. Third day probably will be sub-severe, but yeah, and then you can see maybe a line forming through the northeast, which could have some severe storms. Maybe places like Little Rock, maybe you can see some storms firing up later, maybe some afternoon showers. But for severe threat is going to be probably most severe supercells. The wind threat is probably going to be severe. Out in Pennsylvania. But then you're going to have these supercells that could rotate out by Colorado and in the central points or tornado rallies. So there could be more supercells. There's a slight risk issue, and you never know. But wind split. Let me go to the GFS. I want to show y'all if it's going to say like the storm's going to come. No, I don't think it just says it. I don't think it thinks the storm, that tropical storm's going to come. If it is a tropical storm, I will cover it. If it actually does, if it turns into a tropical storm today on Sunday the 2nd, I will post a video later today. But if it doesn't, I won't. If I post a video, it won't be like severe weather. Also, just be the tropical storm or tropical depression. Well, probably tropical storm. But all right, y'all. I hope y'all